Looks so delicious. Everyone, welcome back on my YouTube channel with me, Inang, Belgium. How are you today? Today, I want to share about how to make easy chicken curry. Before this video start, please subscribe, like, and share. All the comment of idea is welcome on the comment column. This all the ingredients I will use. This recipe is 4 person. So let's start. I use 8 pieces chicken. It's already pulled it off the skin. It's so more healthier. 2 pieces garlic, a few pieces from a bay leaf, 1 piece red onion, 2 small pieces galanga, lemongrass, the fresh lemongrass, 4 pieces lemon lime, 1 piece chicken flavor, and I will use 400 milligram coconut milk, and a little bit pepper, salt, and turmeric or curcuma, olive oil. Add little bit water to mix on the mixer later, and then cut small pieces the red onion like this and put it inside, and the garlic, and the rest of these ingredients is later. I will use it for later. Cover it. The rest of this ingredient, hit the stove, a little bit olive oil, just very little. And then pepper, salt, and also the turmeric of curcuma in. Chicken flavor. Mix it. And the cocoa milk. And the rest is the chicken meat. Mix it. Okay. This we cook around 8 minutes until 10 minutes. I will taste this first. That tastes guys. It's so delicious. It's so simple, delicious, and so easy to make it, quick and easy to make it at home. Please try it at home. Believe me, that is so delicious. Look, there's the chicken. So delicious. Please try it at home. Believe me, it's so delicious. Look that. So delicious. Put it in here. Oh, looks so delicious. So quick and easy to make it. Have you seen my video before? Please take a look to my other video also. If you like my recipe, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you to watch this video. Bye for now. Hope to see you again on my next video only on YouTube channel Homemade Recipe Inang, Belgium. Bye for now. Bye. Have a great day. Bye bye.